where it is located? Kirtar Mountain. Kirtar Mountain. Kirther. Kirtar Mountain. Where it is located? Very easy question. Kirtar. No, it is not in India. Pakistan. Very good, Dilip. Kirtar Mountain is located in the Pakistan. Kirtar Mountain located in the Pakistan. Okay. Another some basic question. Okay. Geographical term you have to do. The large and the deep holes in the base of the waterfalls are called the dash. Some basic term. The large deep holes. No, yeah, you're right, but yeah, very good, Tava. In the plunge pools, it is called plunge pools. Technically, it is called plunge pools. Okay, large and deep holes in the base of water are called plunge pools. Okay, Burhi Gandak River, say a tributary of Ganges, mainly flows through this state. Burhi Gandak River, the tributary of Ganges River, mainly flows through this state. What is the state? Burhi Gandak flows in this state. No answers. Bihar, very good, Arvindan. Burhi Gandak River, Bihar. Okay, Ganges, tributary of Ganges. Okay, okay. Some basic, like plunge pools, I am asking some basic terminology. Okay, any limestone or dolomite region showing typical landform produced by action of groundwater through the process of solution and deposition is called dash topography. Very good. Cost topography. If a limestone comes, suddenly the word cost topography should come to your mind. Okay. Any limestone or dolomitic region showing typical landforms produced by the action of groundwater to the process of solution and deposition is called cust topography. KRST cust topography. Highest peak in the Alps mountain. Highest peaks in the Alps mountain. Some are difficult only because it's a European mountain, Alps. Highest peak in the Alps mountain. Recently, that blank. You are telling the answer or blank? Recently, Mount Blank. Is it right? Okay, Mount Blank. Okay. You cross verify. I have written like Matterhorn. Whether it is the same thing or you please kindly verify. Highest peaks in the Alps. Whether it is Matterhorn or blank or both are same. You please cross verify. Highest peaks in the Alps. Okay. That shallow lakes in the desert is called the dash. Some basic terminology. Shallow lakes in the deserts. Playas, very good, Gokul. Shallow lakes in deserts is called playas. Okay. Lu is the outcome of dash process. Some basic terminology, geographical terminology. Lu is an outcome of dash process. Some basic geographical terms. Very good. It is advection process. Lu is an outcome of advection process, directly proportional to the dash. The Coriolis force is directly proportional to the dash. Some basic, you have to tell. No need to complicate. The Coriolis force is directly proportional to the what? Wind speed. No. I will tell you the answer. The Coriolis force is directly proportional to the angle of latitude. Okay, angle of latitude. 0 degree means less Coriolis force. If it goes above the certain degrees, the Coriolis force will be more. Okay, the Coriolis force is directly proportional to the angle of latitude. Okay, angle of latitude. Okay. Another very basic terminology you have to tell. The cool air of the high plateaus and the ice fields draining into the valley is called a dash wind. Very some easy question. From uphill to downhill, the air is coming. What you call as wind? No. From lower to upward only anabatic. Okay, Aravind. It is katabatic. From uphill to downhill, it is katabatic. From lower hills to upper hills, it is anabatic. Willy, where it will occur? Willy. Willy Willy. What is Willy Willy? Where it is occur? Very good. Australia. Okay. The cyclones occurring Willy Willy in the Australia. Okay. Like that. Typhoon where will occur? Typhoon water body. Mainly in this region they will call as typhoon. No, no. I am saying water body, not the countries. The water body. Very good. Very good. It is West Pacific and South China Sea. They will call it as the typhoons. Okay. Hurricanes where they will tell. In which water body they will say hurricane? Hurricane. In which water body? Atlantic. Very good, Rami. Atlantic. Okay. Cyclones. In which water body they will say? Cyclones. Very easy question. Cyclones. Indian Ocean. Very good. Cyclones. Indian Ocean. Hurricane. Atlantic Ocean. Typhoons. Western Pacific and South China Sea. Those regions. Willy Willy. Western Australia. Okay. Okay. There's somewhat some basic terminology you have to tell. The place where a tropical cyclone crosses the coast is called dash of the cyclone. The place where a tropical cyclone crosses the coast is called very good Subhash. It is landfall of the cyclone. Okay. The place where a tropical cyclone crosses the coast is called the landfall of the cyclone. Okay. The tornado over the sea is called dash. Some basic term. The tornado over the sea is called dash. Very basic term. Very good, Ramya. It is water sprouts. Okay, water sprouts. Tornado over the sea is called water sprouts. Okay. 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 What is mean by relief rain? Relief rain. Meaning relief rain. We know rain. What is relief rain? Some basic idea. Orogenic rainfall. Orogenic is not correct. Orographic. Okay, I don't know the technical term. Okay, I will tell you. The rainfall in the rain shadow area is called the relief rain. Okay, rainfall in the rain shadow area. Rainfall in the rain shadow area. Okay, it is called the relief rain. Okay, okay. You have to tell the terminologies. Dash oscillations, uh, like a SO, no? Southern oscillation, ENSO, like that. It is a kind of oscillation which infer cycles in the variation in the Earth orbital characteristic around the Sun. The wobbling of the Earth and the changes in the Earth axial, which infer cycles in the variation in the Earth orbital character. No, no. Orbital characteristic around the Sun, wobbling of the Earth and the changes in the Earth axial tilt. Any guesswork? It is a no. Your guess is correct, but you have to tell the correct technical term. Dash oscillations, which infer cycles in the variations in the Earth's orbital characteristics around the Sun, the wobbling of the Earth, and the changes in the Earth axial tilt. It is somewhat difficult question. I will tell you the answer, but it is given in the NCERT. Milankovitch oscillations. Okay, Milankovitch oscillation. Milankovitch oscillations which infer cycles in the variations in the Earth orbital characteristic around the Sun, wobbling of the Earth, and the changes in the Earth axial tilt. The answer is Milankovitch oscillation. Okay. Okay. You have to tell whether it is true or false. Sea mounts and guyards rising from the sea floor, it does not reach the surface of the ocean. Seamounts and guyards does not reach the surface of the ocean. True, very good, Ramya. It does not reach the surface of the ocean. False. It is true only. Okay, it does not reach the surface of the ocean. Okay. The boundary region from where there is a rapid decrease of temperature is called dash. In the sea water, no ocean. There is a region where there is a rapid decline of temperature. A very basic term. Very good, Ramya. It is thermocline. Thermocline. Okay. Lake Van, VAN, Van. Where it is located? Which country? Lake Van. Where it is located? Very good, Arvind. It is Turkey. Lake Van is present in the Turkey. Okay. I already asked this question. The average salinity of the Indian Ocean is dash. Average salinity of the Indian Ocean. Or the ocean, general ocean, you should tell. Okay, 35 parts per thousand. Okay, very good. The average salinity of the ocean is 35 parts per thousand. Okay, it generally increases with the depth, and there is a distinct zone called dash where salinity increases sharply. Actually, it will go on decreasing. At one point, it will increase sharply. Very good, Gokul. It is halocline. Okay, thermocline. Here it is thermocline where temperature. Halocline is salinity. Okay. Okay. Another very repeated question. Highest tide in the world occur where? Highest tide in the world occur dash. I asked sir. Bay of Fundy, Nova Scotia, Canada. Okay, Bay of Fundy in Nova Scotia in Canada. Okay. Okay. Another some basic terminology you have to tell. The time between high tide and low tide when the water level is falling is called dash. The time between high tide and low tide when the water level is falling is called dash. A very basic terminology. The time between high tide, ebb. Very good, Subhash Chandra Bose. Ebb. The EBB, ebb. The time between high tide and low tide when the water level is falling is called ebb. Like that, similar. The time between low tide and high tide when the tide is rising is called dash. Falling is ebb. Rising when the time between the low tide and high tide when the tide is rising. Any other answers? Rising. Sandhya, you are very late today. Rising. Okay, I will tell you the answer. It is flow or flood. Okay, flow or flood. The time between the low tide and high tide when the tide is rising is called flow or ebb. Falling, it is called ebb. Okay, rising, flow or flood. Okay. Okay. Durga Dwani tidal power project, where it is proposed or located. Durga Dwani tidal power project location. Durga Dwani. DURGA. West Bengal. Very good. Tidal power project in the Durga Dwani. Okay, West Bengal. Okay. Singharaja Forest. A very easy question. Where it is located? Singharaja Forest. Singharaja Forest. And the name itself it is there. Which country? Singharaja. It is not in India. Singharaja. Very good, Subhash Chandra. It is Sri Lanka. Okay. Singharaja Forest in the Sri Lanka. Okay. Okay. That multicolored lights no generally appear in the upper atmosphere over the polar regions. What is the name in southern hemisphere? That multicolored lights. Ah, yeah. Southern hemisphere, I am asking. You have to. Very good. Aurora australis. In northern hemisphere, what it is name? Northern hemisphere, the multicolored lights over the polar regions in northern hemisphere. Borealis. Very good. Subhash Chandra Bose. Aurora borealis, northern hemisphere. Aurora australis, southern hemisphere. Okay. Okay. The some basic question. Some basic you have to tell. The ability of the air to hold to water vapor depends entirely on its dash. The ability of the air to hold water vapor depends entirely on its dash. Some very good its temperature. Okay. Okay. You have to tell true or false. Fog contains more moisture than mist. True or false? Fog contains more moisture than mist. True or false? No, Dhanush. No, 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 no. No, Sandhya. No, no, no. Everything is wrong. False. It is false. Okay. Mist contains more moisture than fog. Okay. Mist only contains more moisture than fog. Okay. Mist only contains more moisture than fog. The said statement, what I have given the statement is false statement. Okay. Another very easy question. Pole star is located in dash direction. Pole star. Pole star is located in dash direction. Very good. Gokul, it is located in the northern direction, north direction. Okay. Dash planet is called as Earth twin. Earth's twin because its size and shape are very much similar to that of the Earth. Venus, very good, Sandhya. Venus is considered a Earth twin because its size and shape are very much similar to that of Earth. Okay. Okay. The area between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn receives the maximum heat, and it is called a dash zone. The area between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic, very good, Gokul, it is torrid zone. The area between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn receives the maximum heat, and it is called the torrid zone. Okay. Okay. Like that, you have to tell the areas lying between the Arctic Circle in the North Pole in the Northern Hemisphere and the Antarctic Circle and the South Pole in the Southern Hemisphere are very cold. They are called frigid zone. Very good, Subhash Chandra Bose. They are called frigid zone. Torrid zone, maximum heat. In the colder region, it is called frigid zone. Okay. The Earth takes dash minutes to cross 1 degree. The Earth takes dash minutes to cross 1 degree. 4 minutes, very good, Tamya. The Earth takes 4 minutes to cross 1 degree. Okay. And that equinox, no, summer solstice, winter solstice, there. You have to tell the date. Date 1 or 2 days, it will be above and below. No, no problem. Okay. You have to be in the region. The dates you have to, no need to tell exactly. 1 or 2 days you have to tell. Okay. Equinox March 21. Another one is September 23. Very good. Equinox March 21 and September 23. Summer solstice. Summer solstice. Summer solstice. Summer solstice. Summer solstice. June 21. Okay, no problem. June 21. Okay. Winter solstice. Winter solstice. Winter solstice. December 22. Very good. Okay. Equinox March 21. 23rd September. Okay. 21, 23 March, September. Summer solstice June 21. Okay. Winter solstice 22 December. Okay. Okay. Asia is separated from the Europe by the Dash Mountains. Asia is separated from the Europe by the Dash Mountains. A famous mountain, Ural, very good, Gokul. It is Ural Mountains. Okay, Ural Mountains. The only continent through which a Tropic of Cancer, Equator, and Tropic of Capricorn will pass. Very, very easy question. Only continent through which Tropic of Cancer. Okay. Okay, African continent. Okay, African continent is the only continent through which a Tropic of Cancer, Equator, and the Tropic of Capricorn will pass. Okay. Okay. This ocean is S-shaped ocean. S-shaped. This ocean looks like S-shaped. Which ocean? Very good, Subhash Chandra. Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean is S-shaped. Okay. This ocean is triangular shaped. Broadly triangular. Not exactly like geometry. Broadly triangular shape. Very good, Dhanush. It is Indian Ocean. Atlantic Ocean S-shaped. Indian Ocean is triangular shape. Okay. Okay. If we are going from the Earth, no, upwards, towards upwards, and the atmosphere extends up to a height of about a dash. We are going from the Earth towards the atmosphere and to the space. The atmosphere will be available up to the height of more, only 400. What is the unit? 400. We are moving from the Earth to the space. The atmosphere for no Tavaindu. It is 1600 kilometer. Okay. The atmosphere extends up to a height of 1600 kilometer. 1600 kilometer. The atmosphere extends up to a height of 1600 kilometer. Okay. You have to tell the threshold value. A hill with an elevation of more than dash is termed as mountain. With the unit you have to tell. A hill with an elevation of more than dash height is termed as a mountain. So some basic, and they are classifying the hill, which is mountain. 2000 feet, 2000 meter, no Nikhil. Nikhil, you have not submitted the vulnerability mapping. I am regularly saying you have not turned up. Bring the printout and get your feedback. Okay. Okay, it is given in the NCERT. I will tell you the threshold value. A hill with an elevation of more than 600 meters. Okay, more than 600 meters is termed as a mountain. A hill with an elevation of more than 600 meters is termed as a mountain. Okay, mountains arranged in a line is known as dash. Basic terms. Mountains arranged in a line is known as dash. Basic geography. What you will tell? Mountains arranged in a line. Range. Very good. The mountains arranged in a line is known as range. Okay, range. Okay. Some basic terms you have to tell. Elevated flat land. What you call? Elevated flat land. Some basic term. Elevated flat land. What in geography we generally use? Um, Another term, plateau. Very good. And the plateau is the elevated flat land. Plateau. Elevated flat land. Okay. Okay. Hundru Falls, no? Hundru Falls, present in the Chota Nagpur. Like, the source river is what? Hundru Falls. I already asked several types. Source river for Hundru Falls. Subarnareka, very good. Hundru Falls present in Chota Nagpur Plateau, and the source river is Subarnareka. Okay, okay, okay. Western Ghats is also called as dash. Some easy answer. Western Ghats is also called as some. Very good. Sagyadris. Very good. But Western Ghats is also called as Sagyadris. Okay. Okay. Indian time. Okay. Indian time is GMT plus dash. Indian time equal to GMT. Greenwich Mean Time plus dash. How much duration? Mean time plus dash duration. 5.5 hours. Very good, Telephone. 5.5 hours. Indian time equal to Greenwich Mean Time plus 5.5 hours. Okay. Okay. Territorial water extends up to dash. Territorial water extends up to. Very good. 12 nautical miles. Very good. 12 nautical miles. It is not 12 kilometer. It is 12 nautical miles, 22.2 kilometer or 12 nautical miles. Okay. It is not 12 kilometer, 12 nautical miles. Okay. Okay. The exclusive economic zone extends up to dash. EEZ. Territorial water 12 nautical miles. Like that, EEZ. Very good. It is 200 nautical miles. Okay. Unit also you have to tell. 200 nautical miles. Okay. 200 nautical miles. It's the exclusive economic zone. Okay. Okay. In 1968, Club of Rome was there. No, what is the related to what Club of Rome? 1968 Club of Rome related to some broad Club of Rome related to 1968 Club of Rome. Some Security Council, OECD. Oh, no, Club of Rome. Nuclear. No, Shivanagi. You please cross verify. Rome Statute, you are telling. All you people are telling Rome Statute. I am asking Club of Rome. Club of Rome is related to environment. Okay. 1968 Club of Rome advocated the resource conservation. Okay. Resource conservation is the main objective of Club of Rome. In 1968 Club of Rome, it is related to environment. Okay. Okay. Dash report introduced the concept of sustainable development. Dash report with the year introduced the concept of sustainable development. Report plus year. Very easy. Dash report introduced the concept of sustainable development. Okay, leave the year. Very good. Brundtland Commission report 1987. Brundtland Commission report 1987 introduced the concept of sustainable development. Okay. Okay. In the Bangar, older alluvium, Bangar soil, okay, there is a high concentration of these nodules, no? What nodules that name? In Bangar soil, older alluvium, Kankar, very good. There will high concentration of Kankar nodules in the Bangar, older alluvium, less fertile, okay, okay, okay. Baksa tiger reserve is present in the state of West Bengal. Is threatened by this mining activity. What mining? something is mined there near Buxa Tiger Reserve in West Bengal. Due to that, it is threatened. It is bauxite. Okay, I think this is okay. I will tell you the answer. It is dolomite mining. Okay, dolomite mining is there. Because of that, the Buxa Tiger Reserve in West Bengal is threatened. Okay, dolomite mining. Okay, very easy question. Anti-cancer drug found in the plant Himalayan yew. Anti-cancer drug present in the plant Himalayan yew. YEW. Very easy question. Everybody knows it. Baby question. Anti-cancer drug found in the plant Himalayan yew. A very famous anti-cancer drug. Okay, no answer. A very easy question. I will tell you the answer. It is Taxol. Very good, Subhash Chandra Bose. It is Taxol. Taxol is the anti-cancer drug found in the Himalayan plant yew. Okay. Okay. You have to tell the broad region of shifting cultivation. Okay, broad region. Masole. 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 Shifting cultivation. Broad region. No need to X. No, Masole is not in India. Masole is practiced. Masole is not practiced in India. Brazil, no, Aravind. Masole, MASOLE, Masole. This I given in NCERT itself. Masole. Okay, okay, I will tell you the answer. It is Central Africa. Okay, Masole, the shifting cultivation practiced in the Central Africa. Masole, Central Africa. Okay. Ray, RAY, Ray. It's very easy. You people will tell. Ray. Shifting cultivation. Ray, you don't know. Okay, Ladang only in Malaysia and Indonesia, Gokul. Ladang only, Malaysia, Indonesia, they will practice Ladang. Ray is very good, Subhash Chandra Bose. It is Vietnam. Ray is the shifting cultivation practice in the Vietnam. Okay, the Vietnam in those regions, the Vietnam and the surrounding regions. Okay, okay, like that you have to tell. Dahiya. Dahiya is a shifting cultivation practiced where Dahiya. Dahiya. Okay, if I tell the other name for Dahiya, you can easily identify. Bivar, Bivar or Dahiya. No, it is within India only. Bivar or Dahiya. It is Madhya Pradesh. Very good, Shobhasan. Bivar or Dahiya in the state of Madhya Pradesh. Okay. Podu or Penda. Podu or Penda. Shifting cultivation. Andhra Pradesh. Very good, Shobhasan. Podu or Penda in the state of Andhra Pradesh. Okay. Okay. Paman Dabi, common or Bringa. Pama Dabi, common or Bringa. All are the same thing, different names. This is shifting cultivation. Paman Dabi, common or Bringa. In the state of Paman Dabi, common or Bringa. Okay. This is Odisha. Very good, Aravindan. Odisha. Paman Dabi, common or Bringa in the state of Odisha. Okay. Kumari. You have to tell the broad region. It is not associated with the particular state. Kumari is shifting cultivation generally. Okay. In the Western Ghats. Kumari practice the shifting cultivation in the Western Ghats. Okay, Aravindan. Okay. Valdri or Valtree. Valdri or Valtree. Valdri or Valtree shifting cultivation. Mainly practiced in state of Valdri or Valtree. Okay, I will give you the clue. ABU is the clue. ABU is the clue. Valtree, Rajasthan, very good. Southeastern Rajasthan. Valtree or Valtree is the shifting cultivation present in the southeastern Rajasthan. Okay, so specific places like Western Ghats. I said Kumari, like that. KHI Kill. In which region? Broad region. Kill is a shifting cultivation practiced. Kill, Rajasthan. No. Okay, it is present in the Himalayan belt. Okay, kill is practice, shifting cultivation practice in the Himalayan belt. Okay, Kurua, Kurua. Kuruwa shifting cultivation, which state? Kuruwa. Kuruwa. I will give you the clue. There is if you know the meaning of amphora, you know, in ancient and medieval term amphora. If you know the answer for very good, Sandhya, it is Jharkhand. Okay, Kuruwa is a shifting cultivation practiced in Jharkhand. Okay, I will list out milpa in the Mexico and Central America, milpa in the Central and Mexico and Central America. Konuko, where it is practiced? Konuko, which country? Specific country? It's near Argentina. That Conuco is exactly Venezuela. Okay, Conuco in Venezuela. Maybe in Argentina it may be there. The main predominant country is Venezuela. Okay. Roca, where it is practiced? Roca, Brazil. Very good, Gokul. Okay, I will list out Milpa in Mexico and Central America, Conuca, Venezuela, Roca, Brazil, Mazol, Central Africa, Ladang, Indonesia, Malaysia, like the region, Ray, Vietnam, Biwa or Dahiya in the state of Madhya Pradesh, Podu or Penda in Andhra Pradesh, Pamadabi or Common or Bringa in Odisha, Kumari in the western KHIL Himalayan belt, Kuruwa in the state of Jharkhand. Okay. Okay. You have to tell with respective India. Okay. There is a bloodless revolution. It is in the world history. That is glorious revolution of 1688. You leave that. With respect to it is called the bloodless revolution. There is another bloodless revolution the world level. That is glorious revolution of 1688. That is associated with the world history. Leave that. We come to India. In Indian context, this movement is called a bloodless revolution. Very good, Subhash Chandra Bose. This is the Bhutan Gramdan movement initiated by Vinod. There are two revolutions. One is world history, one is Indian history. Okay. We are the last period of today's session. Only 4 more minutes are remaining. Okay. Some basic terms you have to tell. Some basic terms. Smaller occurrence of minerals are called dash. Smaller occurrence of minerals are called dash. Some basic in geographical context, it's purely basic terminology. Smaller occurrence of minerals are called dash. Veins, very good. Arvind, smaller occurrence of minerals are called veins. Larger occurrence of minerals are called dash. Smaller is vein. Very good, Arvind. Larger occurrence of minerals is called lodes. Very good, Subhash Chandra Bose. Smaller occurrence of minerals is called veins. Larger occurrence of minerals is called lodes. LOD is lodes. Okay. Okay. Balagat mines present in the state of which state? Balagat, copper mining center, and the present in the state of which state? Balagat mines, Madhya Pradesh. Very good, Arvind. Balagat mines in the state of Madhya Pradesh. Okay. Okay. Panch Patumali deposits is located in which state? What mineral? What state? Panch Patumali deposits. Bauxite. Very good, Subhash Chandra Bose. The state of Panch Patumali deposits in the state of bauxite is correct. In the state of Odisha. Very good. Panch Patumali deposits known for bauxite in the state of Odisha in Koraput district. Okay. Parvati Valley. Which state? Puga Valley, we know Ladakh. Like that. Parvati Valley, where it is located? Parvati Valley. Okay. Very good. Himachal Pradesh. Parvati Valley in the state of Himachal Pradesh. Okay. A premier iron ore exporting port of the country. This is the premier iron ore exporting country of the country. Very easy question. Iron ore export means this port will come to the mind to everyone. Besides iron ore, the Marmoko, very good. Marmoko port, Goa is the premier iron ore exporting port of the country. Okay. Okay. Fazandas, a basic geographical term. F-A-Z-E-N-D-A-S. Fazandas. What is the meaning? Fazandas. Fazenda is Fazandas, a basic geographical term. This is the last question of today's session. Fazandas. We will meet tomorrow. Time is up. Only with 30 seconds are there. Fazandas, what is the meaning? Okay, I will tell you the meaning. Fazandas is the large plantations. Okay, large plantations is called fazandas. Like a ranches, no? Like ranches is called fazandas is large plantations. Okay, fazandas. With this, we are winding up this session. Okay, we will meet tomorrow. Thank you for everyone for the participation. Those who are not completed vulnerability mapping, kindly submit. Okay. Okay. Thank you, everyone. I am winding up the session. Tomorrow we will meet. Thank you. Thank you, Nikhil. Kindly meet me in person.